Hello everyone. I wanted to do a planting activity with you today, and you'll need a few things. You'll need a piece of paper. You'll need a paper towel, a little tiny bit of water in a plate, beans, and you can use any beans. You can use black beans, red beans, navy beans, pinto beans, any beans that you might have in the house. You'll need a small Ziploc bag, and then some stickers or just some crayons to color. So the first thing that we will do is you'll get your paper and you'll need to cut out a little house. And it's quite simple. You're going to cut off the corners of your paper and you're going to make a little house like this. Okay, and then you'll need mom and dad probably to help you, or an older sister or brother. You're going to fold it in half like this. You're going to cut the middle out. So you're going to start here and you're going to go to the edge. Okay, and then do the same thing on the bottom, leaving some at the bottom. Okay, you're going to cut to the edge. So look at, if you open it, you see two slits. Okay, so now you're going to close it again. And now you're going to cut this middle out. So you are going to cut along the edge here. So that way, when you see, you have a little house with a little window in it. Okay? Now, the next step is to fold your paper towel into thirds like this. And then you're going to put it into the water. See, it's going to soak up all the water that you put in there. Okay, you're going to make it nice and wet. Nice and wet. Okay, so see? And squeeze a little water out, but don't squeeze it all out. It's okay for it to be soaked because this is what we want. And then you're going to fold it in half again because you want it to be kind of little. Then you're going to get your bag. You're going to take your wet paper towel and put it inside the bag like this so that it fits along the bottom of your bag. Then you're going to take your bean and you're going to put them right on top of the wet paper towel, close to the bottom. See? And there's my little beans. Zip up the top. Okay? Now, you're going to get your house and you will put your bean bag, you're going to tape it at the top. Like that. See, so it's a little house for your beans. Now, you can decorate this house. You can put some stickers around the house. You can use markers or crayons to decorate the house. Okay? And at the top of your house, have somebody write for you, "My Bean House." And then maybe you could trace the words with a darker color marker. Okay? All right. So this is what it looks like. And then after you've decorated it and you've taped your bag onto your bean house, you're going to find a door with a window with panes of glass, and you're going to tape it up onto the door, glass door, or the glass window, and you're going to observe. If you remember those words of observe, you're going to see what will happen to these beans. Maybe they'll grow. Maybe you might start to see little sprouts coming out. And sometimes you might have to even open the bag in the back if something does start to grow, because the beans will grow out of the bag. So it's a very cool seed experiment that you could find. And then if it does grow, you could put them outside in your garden and see what happens. You might get beans and you might be able to eat some over the summer. So I figured that would be a very fun activity for you to do. All right, enjoy and let me know how it goes.